My dear students, hope you all are safe and stay at home. Dear students, today we are going to start our new unit. The name of our unit is the Entrepreneur and Entrepreneurship. So first of all, we can start our new unit with some introduction part. Basically, an entrepreneur is the person who take risk and to start something new. So, an entrepreneur is a person who establishes a business or a venture that helps in the value of some customer and proves to be a profitability for him. So, an entrepreneur starts a new business with an idea on what he identifies as an unmet, which helps to satisfy his needs. So, this is the basic introduction part of an entrepreneur. Now, our second word is the entrepreneurship. So, it is the process of identifying and starting a new venture. Here, the meaning of venture means new business for the purpose of to earn more and more profits. So, in short, entrepreneurs recognize opportunities where others see chaos or confused. It is an aggressive link for change within the marketplace. With the help of entrepreneur, face the challenge, the unknown, and continuously create the future for earning more and more profit. So, in short, entrepreneurs are those persons which creates a new business, which is always ready to take a risk, and their main objective to earn profit and growth through various types of resources like man, machine, material, and the main and last important is the opportunity increases. So here are some examples which are related with the entrepreneur. Like if you take a look at the world around you, you will find various types of entrepreneurs from all the different age groups. So some entrepreneurs have been successful at a very young age while others have struggled over the time. For example, here I can take two examples regarding the entrepreneur. First one is the Facebook and second one is the McDonald's. So in the Facebook was started by the youngsters in their 20s, whereas the founders of McDonald's and KFC were in the late 15th when they started their venture. So there is a no age for starting a new business. So our next question arises that what are the entrepreneurial characteristics and their skills? There are various types of characteristics like confidence, competitive, drive, flexibility, core value, problem solving to earn maximum profits, etc. Besides these, there are some more characteristics like vision, high energy level, self confidence, easy to achieve all their goals, need to achieve, a tolerance for failure, creativity of new ideas, etc. So these are the basic characteristics which are related with the entrepreneur. So our next question rises that what are skills which are included in an entrepreneur? First one, ability to plan, marketing, interpersonal skills, personal effectiveness, team building, leadership quality plays a very important role for become an entrepreneur. If you are having a good communication skills, you can easily achieve your targets. And last one is the self confidence. Automatically self confidence is always increases your profitability and reach to at a highest level. So there are some qualities which are related with an entrepreneur. So like if you want to become an entrepreneur, you must be have these type of qualities like energy level, risk taking factor, leadership, need of achievement, personality and creativity. Creativity is a very important. Why? Because if you are having a creative mind, you can easily achieve your target and you can easily compete with your word. So our next one is the what are the various functions of an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur includes innovative ideas, always ready to take a risk, always helps in decision making, raising of funds, planning. It plays a very important role because with the help of planning, he can create new ideas that how to manage money, how to invest money in the different business, etc. So these are the basic functions of an entrepreneur. There are also some common myths regarding the entrepreneur, like entrepreneurs are risk taking factors, they are always ready to take a risk. Entrepreneurs are born means many people believe that entrepreneurs possess inborn capability. However, experts also agree that most of the entrepreneurs are not born. They can achieve their business and they can become an entrepreneur with their own creativity. Entrepreneurs are gamblers, entrepreneurs are loners, entrepreneurs are job hoppers, entrepreneurs are exceptional ones. So these are the basic myths regarding the entrepreneur. So there are some examples which are related with an entrepreneur in your local market. Like here, this is the example of an one entrepreneur. Like his name is the Ramesh. He takes first step to start a business, and today he will become a rich man by starting his own ideas, creativity. So, students, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So, if you want to become a good entrepreneur, you must have a leadership qualities, risk taking factor, creativity, etc. So, in the end, I would like to say that the entrepreneurs includes creative thinking plus systematical analysis is equal to success. So, risk is it in your hands. If you want to become a successful entrepreneur, always be ready to take a risk and achieve your level at a very high position. Thank you, students. Have a great day ahead.